Hey you guys, it is me, Courtney Francois. If you've never been to my channel, welcome, welcome. I talk about life, health, everything else as far as children, love, food, shoes, whatever, everything else. But today we are going to talk about homeschooling. Whether you have big kids, little kids, any type of kid, school is out. The corona is going around, or the 5G epidemic, something's happening where people are dying and they want everybody to stay in the house, whether it's because there are, you know, 5-dimensional downloads coming, they don't want us to get it, or 5G is out killing people and attacking people, or maybe there really is a virus. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to talk about my homeschool regimen, the things that we do around here, just give you guys some ideas if you don't know what to do with your kids, if you're kind of confused or lost. So this is pretty much what we do every day. I work at night, then I get off in the morning, and we learn. So me and my ex, we co-parent during this. So right now they're at his house, and when they come back, this is what we do. So stay tuned. All right, you guys. So, like I said, I get off from work at like 7 something, get home at 7 something, and we start our day. They're just getting up, so a lot of times they don't even have to take a shower yet. They eat breakfast, and then they brush their teeth, and then we go on to do some yoga. So I'm gonna show you my TV and my YouTube. So usually we do the Cosmic Kids yoga. She has some good stuff. Like my 3-year-old, he likes the spooky spectacular because we're doing all types of witch yoga and we're zombies and all this other stuff. When my 5-year-old, he likes the Spider-Man yoga because we get into little spider pose and things like that. And then after we're done with the yoga, we how do I go back? Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the, okay, we're clear. And then after that, we go to the workout for kids. We find a different workout. Most of the time we do this 9-minute exercise for kids at home, which really like a lot of stretching and different jumping jacks and things like that. They like that one. Or they pick this one, but they usually like the little sports one. So we do some yoga, we do some exercising, and then we start our class. So I ordered this off of Amazon. I got a dry erase board. It came with an eraser, and I have multiple pens. And then I ordered these magnetic letters. I have way more letters and numbers and shapes in the kitchen, but this is just right now. So the other day we were on the number 12. Rather I draw something that equates to 12, or I let Eamon draw 12 circles, or let Zamir draw 12 circles, or I might have Eamon draw 6, and then have Zamir draw 6, and then we add it together. I spell out words, and I have them spell out words with the magnets, and then I have them write it out as well with the pen. My 3-year-old isn't the best at that, of course, but my 5-year-old is. So that is what we do for maybe 20-30 minutes. And then we go into this pre-K brain quest workbook. So you have letters and tracing, pointing out the different letters and things like that. So we work on this together. Rather I write it up on the board, or we just go through the book together. You have the numbers, and we do counting. I have each one of them count how many of whatever it is, on each page. It's supposed to be 6, we go to 7, we go to 8. So I have them count these things out. The book only goes to 10. Then you do your phonics with the sounds and things like that. You have the vocabulary, we know stop, wait, go. We look at the toy store and the words. We do shapes and our colors. We did this, which slice fits in this spot, so they look and pick it out. So we do a lot of different things. We do the puzzles in the back. I need them to find their way out. We go through the book, do random pages of it together. Now, they both have their own bins. Amir likes green, Eamon likes red. The school board had handed out these packets, but these packets I can't really do. It's just a whole bunch of stuff really to give you ideas as a parent. So, they each have a packet, but they do both have their preschool workbook. Eamon is pretty much better at this. I mean, he's 5, so he's good with his coloring, with his tracing, and things like that. So he works through his workbook. Zamir, like I said, he's 3, so we're still working on it. Like, I had him to count these and then circle how many it was. He wasn't the best at circling. He kind of just put a mark next to it or scribbled over it, and I had to kind of show him you need to circle it. But no, he knows his ABCs, he knows his numbers, his shapes, his colors, and things like that. So then later on, they can go to the tablets. They have a lot of learning games and things like that on their tablets, but that's for like later in the day. Maybe once a week or twice a week, we do arts and crafts. I have some canvases that they can paint on, and I have colored paper they could draw on. This colored rice I made a while ago. We have these arts and crafts that they can paint. We have paints in here, different cars and airplanes, little eyeball, different things to make things creative. Little fuzzy balls, little different stickers, pineapples, different glitters for when I want to do art projects, you know, maybe like a container with some water, glue, oil. They put some glitter in it, so, you know, shake it up and you created something special. You know, we have our paints, we have buttons, we have lots of glue, have little random things that they can glue onto their canvas boards. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I believe they're paintbrushes. I have colored wood sticks down there, more the little fuzzy balls and eyeballs. So a lot of things so that they can decorate and have their artistic time. Sometimes they go next door to my mom's house and they do some arts and crafts with her, or like I think they just planted some watermelon and some beans and stuff for her the other day. So also I have things here so they could plant with me. We have a lot of fruits and veggies and things like that, carrots. And then we also got these at I got these at Target for $1, but I also saw them at Walmart for $1. So they have different types of flowers that you can, little grow kits. I got plant food for whatever we're trying to grow. Got this at Target, the little kit, and then at Dollar Tree got all these gloves and all these things for in the garden. So yeah, we will be doing some out in the yard stuff when the weather kind of clears up, as far as planting, gardening, and learning how to grow their own food, and, you know, just being out in the world, breathing fresh air, doing things they should know how to do anyway. So that is all for my little people. You know, we have the board, we have the books, we have the tablets, we have painting, we have we do a little science stuff as far with the crafts as well. I find different science projects to do, and then we have basically nature. So my oldest son, he has workbooks. He's in 7th grade. We got this one 7th grade book, and then I got an 8th grade from the school board. Then I ordered him an 8th grade book. He's next door at my mom's house, so he has his workbooks and he brings them to me. More than anything, I ordered him lots of books to read. Lots of books to keep him occupied. And yeah, occupied, keep his brain going, not just watching TV. I got him some notebooks so he can journal and write. But yeah, just lots of books, lots of reading going on for him, along with working in his workbooks. And you know, he's very intelligent, so he gets done with his workbooks fairly quick, you know, during the day. It doesn't take him long at all to do all the pages of each subject. And then, so that's all it is for my older son. Sometimes we do some exercising as well, and we do some random projects. And then for myself, you know, I had to do something during the shutdown. I still work, I mean, essential, but I ordered myself some books. When the grid goes down, how to survive. That's right. The Yoruba Religion, Introduction to Its Practice. Woo! The Handbook of Yoruba Religious Concepts. Okay. The Way of the Orisa. Oh, spirituality before religions. Spirituality is unseen science. Science is seen spirituality. So I've been ordering more books and stuff like that, but I had to get some things for myself as well. during this shutdown. So, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys in on the things I have going on as far as homeschooling my children, teaching them and trying to keep them occupied during the day. So after they do their yoga, their workouts, their learning, and they're pretty much playing on the tablets or playing with each other in their rooms or eating food. So we try to, and like I said, they have a lot of learning stuff on their tablets. So they learn throughout the day. I don't have too many just fun, random games on there. And there's this kind of kid censored since they're young. With a kid after they can only play and do kid stuff. So I watch kid stuff on YouTube. But they really don't be on YouTube like that. So yeah, that is the essential part of what we go through every day. Yeah, our learning, our exercising, our yoga, and spending time with one another. Like I said, they're with their father right now, so I'll try to keep in contact and tell him where I left off. I don't know what happens on his weeks, but I know where we pick back up when they come back home to me. So, yeah. So I hope you guys are making it during this epidemic, pandemic, whatever is going on. There's so many different things that they say it is or that it could be, from it really being a virus to it being 5G to it being bio warfare, or who knows, but motherfuckers are dying in real life. So, you know, regardless of what we want to say it is, people are dying. That we know that for sure. Motherfuckers are dying. So I don't know, you guys just be careful, take care of your families. I've ordered like some Organite things like that to try and block the radiation and the things that are coming from the 5G, trying to protect me and my family the best way I can. There's a couple things that you can use to protect you from the 5G. I think I screenshotted something from Facebook, so I'll post that at the end of the video. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys how homeschooling was going for me, what I do, and I hope that you guys can, you know, use some of this maybe, or Google some stuff, figure out what works for you. Just don't let the children watch Netflix all day. Don't, or YouTube or PBS. Don't let them do it. You know, teach them something. They need to be using their brains and learning. I mean, somehow, you know, it's not really just the teacher's job. We are supposed to be their first teachers. So I hope this inspired you. I hope this gave you some ideas. You know, you can get a lot of stuff on Amazon. Amazon is still essential in delivering. And I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how things are going for you during this shutdown, while you having to stay in the house and nobody's able to go anywhere. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye. You got it. Good job. Big G, little G. Yay. G. Little O. Another O. And D.
D.
Good job.
Yeah.
Make sure you squeeze it. Squeeze it so you pick up some color. Squeeze it. Now let it go.
Whoa, so colorful.
Yes, it's colorful.
Look.
Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Yes. Now bring it over here.